for only $20, and in 5 minutes, we were able to bring back to life my friend's wireless headphones from Bose. So back in 2015, NFL quarterback Russell Wilson of the Seattle Seahawks did a partnership with the audio brand Bose.
Wireless headphones, engineered for exceptional sound.
Well, that partnership worked because my buddy went out and bought the Bose headphones that Russell Wilson was wearing. Flash forward 6 years later and look at them now. They have completely disintegrated the ear cushions. And today, folks, your boy Handy Andy is doing a DIY for his buddy. And we're going to show you how you can fix these old Bose earbuds and bring them back to life for only $20. So get your popcorn ready. Cue in that intro. Now, before I go ahead and show you how to do this, I just wanted to mention one thing. Bose actually makes their own replacements for these ear cushions. You can buy them directly from Bose, and it'll cost you anywhere from like $30 to $40. Or you can do the Handy Andy style and go on Amazon and get a third party for a fraction of the price and save yourself some money by doing the DIY install yourself. This pair right here, we'll set the link in the description below. It only costs $20. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go outside. I'm going to take these old ones off and show you step by step how you can put these ones on and basically bring these perfectly good earphones back to life. So here are the headphones. Step one is to remove this old one. Well, that just comes off pretty easily. So basically you just grab it, give it a push, and it pops off. Now let's look at the condition of these, because you can replace these little pads with these ones. You know, it looks to be in good condition. I'm probably going to just leave it. Okay, so these are called scrim mats, and they come optional if you want to replace these. But just looking at these, they look to be in good condition. The adhesive's still sticking. I really don't see a need. You know, there's an old adage, if it ain't broken, don't fix it. So I'm going to leave this on. Just clean this up a little bit and basically proceed to the next step, which is to put the cushions on. And they have clips, and you can see if I can show closely, there's these little clips. And what we got to do is just go over and put some pressure on that on each side. So go ahead and do this for the first time right now. Start with the right. From what I can tell, these are identical. So it doesn't matter if it's a left or right. They're pretty much exactly the same. So it doesn't matter which one you put on. You just want to make sure that you put pressure on that. And that's what this tool is for. And basically look for the clips. I'm going to put this down right here. And then take my time and to push it in. So again, we're going to try to put it on perfectly flat, straight on. We'll start by just using pressure on our fingers just to make sure it's in place, and then go ahead and proceed to clip it. There we go. There we go. Of course, the second one's easier now that I got some experience. Now I'm a Bose cushion replacer expert. And there you have it. For only $20 and in 5 minutes, we were able to bring back to life my friend's wireless headphones from Bose. Now, like I said, you could go ahead and buy these cushions from Bose for like $40, $30, $40, depending on where you live. Or you could just go on Amazon, get a third party for half the price, in this case $20, and replace them yourself in 5 minutes. So remember, just because your ear pads have disintegrated doesn't mean there's anything wrong with your wireless headphones. And these ones from Bose are case in point. Well, I hope you enjoyed this Handy Andy how-to video. If you liked it, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave any of your comments below. I promise you, I will get back to you if you leave a comment. Just give me a couple of days, I might be out and about. Once again, my name is Andy Baryer, Handy Andy signing out. See you again next time. Bye for now.